So I have something pretty exciting to show you today. Gather now allows you to push items to an invoice in your QuickBooks Online account. So I'm quickly going to show you how you can do it. Check an item that you would like to push. Come to your Actions dropdown. Select Export to QuickBooks Invoice. The first time you do this, you will need to sync your Gather account with your QuickBooks Online account. So you can do that. Click Connect here. You only need to do this the very first time. Authorize. Now you'll see this little warning, and this is to let you know that this is just a one-way push between Gather and QuickBooks. So that means that if you update an invoice in QuickBooks, it will not be reflected in your Gather account. And the same if you update an item in your Gather account, it will not be reflected on the invoice. You'll need to actually push a new invoice. So click OK, I understand. Here you'll need to enter in the next invoice number that you would like to use. So I'm just going to go out to my QuickBooks Online account. Seems like my last invoice number is 2024. So I want to put in here 2025. Select your customer, your terms, your tax rate, your product or service. And just so you know, all of these items here, so QuickBooks customer, terms, tax rate, and product/service will need to be set up in your QuickBooks Online account before pushing from Gather. I do not want to include my description or have upholsteries show up as a separate line item. I want them to be lumped into one item. Little message here, yay, and export and create QuickBooks Invoice. Click here. Go to Invoices. To find the invoice I just created, 2025. Here it is. And there are all my items and the subtotal and then the tax, shipping costs, and balance due. If you wanted to, you can easily add a proposal from Gather with images, a line item proposal with actual images that you could send to your client along with the invoice. Just as a really nice package for them so they can see visually, and then they have an invoice they can directly pay you. So if you have any questions or comments, or you feel like this feature is missing something critical, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.